Hello friends! Welcome back to the Hello My Friend channel. Today, we have an incredible story for you, The Tortoise and the Hare. This is a classic fable that teaches us about patience, persistence, and how determination can overcome haste and arrogance. It's a great opportunity to practice English with a simple story full of important lessons. So, get ready to listen, learn, and improve your English while having fun. Let's begin! In a forest full of tall, green trees, there lived many animals. Among them were the tortoise, who was slow and calm, and the hare, who was very fast and liked to boast about her speed. The hare would always run around, telling everyone that no one could beat her in a race. The tortoise, on the other hand, did everything slowly and calmly. The other animals liked the tortoise because she was patient and never gave up. One day, the hare decided she wanted to prove to everyone that she was the fastest in the forest. The hare approached the tortoise, who was resting under the shade of a tree, and said, "You are so slow, Tortoise. Let's have a race to see who is the fastest." The tortoise, unfazed, accepted the challenge. "Let's race," she said calmly. The other animals in the forest, curious, gathered to watch the race between the fast hare and the slow tortoise. On the day of the race, the animals gathered along the path. The tortoise and the hare lined up at the starting point. The hare was excited, hopping around, full of energy. The tortoise, however, was calm and focused, determined to do her best. The crow, chosen as the judge, raised his wing and gave the signal, "Ready, set, go." The race began, and all the animals watched closely. When the crow gave the signal, the hare took off quickly. In a few seconds, she was far ahead, almost out of sight. The animals in the forest were impressed by her speed. "The hare is so fast," some commented. Meanwhile, the tortoise started slowly, as she always did. She walked slowly, step by step, but with determination. Slow and steady, the tortoise thought. "I can do it." The hare ran so fast that she soon left the tortoise far behind. Confident in her victory, the hare thought, "This race is so easy. The tortoise is so slow that I can even take a nap and still win." With this thought, the hare lay down under the shade of a tree beside the road and fell asleep, believing she had plenty of time to rest. While the hare slept deeply, the tortoise continued her slow but steady walk. She didn't look to the sides or back, she just kept moving forward, step by step. "Slow and steady, I'll get there," thought the tortoise. The animals in the forest, seeing the tortoise's determination, began to cheer for her. "She doesn't give up," some said. And the tortoise, step by step, got closer to the finish line. After a long rest, the hare woke up and stretched. She looked around and realized that the tortoise was very close to the finish line. Shocked, the hare shouted, "How is this possible?" and started running as fast as she could to try to catch up to the tortoise. The animals in the forest watched in surprise as the hare ran desperately. But the tortoise was very close to the finish line and continued, step by step, without stopping. The tortoise took her final steps and crossed the finish line, while all the animals cheered and celebrated her unexpected victory. The hare, tired and out of breath, arrived shortly after, incredulous. "How could I lose?" she wondered. The tortoise smiled and said, "You may be fast, but you should never underestimate those who are persistent and never give up. From that day on, the hare learned an important lesson. Arrogance and haste can lead to defeat. The moral of the story is clear: slow and steady wins the race. Thank you for watching The Tortoise and the Hare. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something valuable today. Remember, persistence and patience can overcome haste and arrogance. If you liked this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our Hello My Friend channel for more stories and lessons in English. And we would love to hear your suggestions for future videos, so leave your comments below. See you in the next video, and keep practicing your English every day.